Guess who's back? Back again. Your guys back. Tell a friend. Back like I never left. Hi guys. Hey guys, I was in Jersey. When I click off Jersey. I was flown out.
How we did alone. Okay. Cover it.
Like, I promised you guys a cake. I didn't make a cake, but like, I brought a cake. Right?
Yeah. Sorry.
And I says it's cheap, guys, but it from Willie. You know what I mean? So it comes just out Puma and I'm trying to finish the serious. You understand?
Because not spoiling Willie's cake.
Not as I think it's because it's Zulu. Women love Zulu.
Is it?
What? What? Have you ever been shelled by a Zulu man?
Obviously, I've never been shelled by a Zulu man because I'm a Zulu man. But anyways.
Have you been shelled by a Zulu man?
No, really, whether you do a Zulu guy.
What? I believe my soulmate is either Zulu or Congolese, bro.
Nah.
What? You're a Zulu man, bro.
Thembi siyeda, man. Thembi siyeda mdala, man. Fike choke ngakithi kumo. Yeah. Welcome to it. It's another episode. Yeah, Cool People Podcast. Your spaceship has landed where it's supposed to be. Thank you so much for your 500 subscribers. I think we are slowly heading to 600. With your support, we can make it even better. We've realized a lot of you watch the podcast when I subscribe. If you subscribe, shoot the first episode. Double check, and it shouldn't take a lot of your time. You double check, but you are still subscribed. This is how Japan is long as you are subscribed. You understand? If you subscribe, subscribe and may help us grow the channel and make it as big as we want it to be big. Thank you so much for your support. So sinichenga nina abalungu bethu uyabasipela nge-15 uyabasipela nge-25 okanye month end okanye nge-fortnight xhomeke kuni bafethu. We do this for you. Sizahamba sifike apha. Niyayiva le voice lapha canga kwami andiyami ndedwa. Okay, so boy khozo le please ke ngala lakho linqokolongo ye-Chaps koko senjabulo uDedi wezaza ne-culture and I really missed le intro ndizayenza ngoku. I'll be holding it down,
Back
keeping it
again.
cool with the beautiful.
Guess who's back? Back again. Your guys back. Tell a friend. Back like I never left. Hi guys. I missed you guys so much.
And
But
bathi sithetha ngebhola kakhulu xa ungekho.
Bro,
Bathi sithetha ngebhola kakhulu xa ungekho.
I feel like if
It's
you
football
want
season, man. It's
the
football
women.
season, man.
I mean, I understand, but you know what? It's fine, but it's not fine. But don't worry, your girl is back, man. You guys have really been holding it down and literally been keeping it cool.
Yeah.
Thank you so much to Ulisa and Umpati for like holding in for me. Thank you so much, guys. Like I appreciate it. Yeah, man. This man didn't carry this show alone. You guys helped him, but no, I'm back on my chair.
Tell us where you were.
Wait.
Tell us where you were.
I told you guys I'm here to stay. Hey guys, I was in Jersey. When I click off Jersey. I was flown out.
How we did alone. Okay. Cover it.
Guys, ngiyakuvela la xhogo la ndifuna ku-TikTok. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, guys. My brother's gonna watch this. He's gonna be like, "What the hell?"
We're gonna have you.
Hey, no, man, guys. I was in Joburg networking. My crew, man, like Cool People is gonna become worldwide. I was networking with people in Joburg. Yeah. I was around creatives. I learned a lot as to how we can grow as a platform. And yeah, basically, I was there for Cool People, guys, essentially. You know what I mean? One thing I do have to say, though, is that, guys, Cape Town creatives, we need to catch up, bro. They are working that side, bro.
They take it serious, bro.
They're taking it so seriously. Like those people are,
You know.
and I feel like that's one thing we need to learn from them. But we'll get there. We'll get there. We'll get there. We just need to really work on like supporting each other and not putting each other down. Honestly,
Even if it's for a week, man, so I think
Yeah,
that would
bro.
inject our appetite when it comes to
Literally.
lento sizama uyabo.
And Nina nindixelile Nina
Ba.
kwi-viewers uba ndini owa icake.
Iphi
Wena.
khona iza
How
iza,
dare you?
iza,
How
iza.
dare you put me
Yeah,
on
mara,
blast like that?
that's what you said.
How
yabo.
dare?
And I can't
But
go
it was-
to uba ndingayithethi.
It was none of their business. Why are you involving people in family business?
Iphi yethu futhi.
Guys, I'm a woman of my word. Like, hey Sana, I had to rush to Joburg, and shame, man, my team just had to pull up things in which they did. So shame namhlanje, shame but spoilile, you know what I mean? Like I brought stuff for them, you know, to say guys, thank you, and I'm so sorry to leave you guys
Don't
for
lie,
so
mfowethu.
long.
Usifihle?
Hayi nansi bhek ba. Hayi. Lo yithomi.
Hayi la bhek no ndikhabe kayi-5 la bhek.
Zibhek
Bengayazi uba
eziyi-2. Itim yam ndikhathalele andizonibonisa uba ndibaphathele ntoni. It's none of your business. It's none of your business.
Khawuze
But
ngayo mlo.
I just want you guys to know that like I'm a woman of my word. Do you get what I mean?
Zikhona into eziqhekekayo.
Thomi zivule phaa bangaziboni aba bathanda indaba.
Siyathanda.
Okay, I'm
Guys.
assuming this is the cake.
Yes. Guys, like I promised you guys a cake. I didn't make a cake, but like I brought a cake. Right?
Yeah. Sorry, khawuvule ta khona.
And I is cheap, guys. Ndibathele from Woolies. You know what I mean? So ikhumsha zawuphuma apha namhlanje funeka ibe serious. You understand?
Because
Not
it's spoiling
as
Woolies cake.
Not as zinto zakho.
Sisafuna isponsor.
Sorry.
Sisafuna isponsor
Ah, you-
sisajongile. Oh, shout out.
Yeah, guys. Like I look after these people. I love them so much. And yeah, guys.
This
So-
I said on the previous episode about I was telling cake because they were watching us figure 500
I own-
subs.
Yeah.
Because I was sending the cake.
So also, I think you should say thank you to them because they got us to 500
Yeah,
so
yeah,
quickly.
definitely,
And
definitely.
Uprince Benyansile, guys, I didn't expect us to get to 500 so quickly. But like you guys were literally holding it down and keeping it cool and were showing us support. So I figure go 500. Now another 500 and another one to come. You know what I mean? So
Big shout out, big shout out, big
Shout
shout
out
out,
to
big shout out, big
y'all.
shout out, big shout out, big shout out.
shout out
Now
to
thank you for being a woman of your
You
word.
get. You get.
Siyabonga.
You get.
Yeah, man. Let's get
Should
to
we
it.
do
So-
CCD?
Ndinayo. Yeah, ndinayo.
Go ahead.
Utanya Devs got engaged with a girlfriend yakhe, long time girlfriend yakhe. So yeah, man. Hopefully, imchato will be big and beautiful.
Yeah.
You know.
Congratulations.
Yeah, that's the only one I have.
Congratulations. So
Ewe, my Sunday.
amayeza wami lawa
Hey, Pile.
yeah, that one.
Hey.
That's-
hey.
Yeah,
He's an
those are my medicines over there. Please share with the team. Down.
shout
Shout out
out Willis.
Willis, guys. I
Strong
take care.
Willis.
I look after my people. Okay, like they don't starve. Yeah,
Oh, there's no alcohol in this, but it's fine.
No,
It smells nice.
Right? I'm putting you on, bro. I'm putting you on. Like, we must, yeah. Anyways, while you guys I have a CCD, guys. So, if you don't know,
Selulwela.
Abba Bacha, who don't know what the CCD is, it's a cool collective discovery. Mina, I discovered car sharing. Have you heard about it?
Car?
Car sharing.
Mm-mm.
So it's a platform that's, I think when this comes out, it would have launched. It's called Garage, right? It's a business that is started by two gentlemen, Tula and Dogozo Mkize. So to put it in layman's terms, it's basically like Airbnb, but for cars. So like if you have a car that's sitting at home, or like you're at the office and you're like, Hey man, go give more damn Mr. Pake Pie office in.
Let me.
Let me put it on the platform. Let it make money for me so long. Because let's say you drive like a Merc, bro, and kon umuntu uqonda ba, ndirhalela ukuqhuba iMac.
Yeah.
Aqhubele
yeah.
yakho. So yeah, so
So I got launch. It's something that is still on the.
no.
Okay.
I think by the time this is out, it's gonna be
You're already
out.
Okay.
So yeah, guys, if you have any further questions, if you're interested in it, go check it out at garage.web.za. But it's all of the thing. I'll send it to you with the owners as well. Support black businesses, guys. But yeah, that's
From
what
about
I've
South Africa.
yeah. So I think it's really cool.
No, it is.
It's really cool, bro. Because think about it, you're gonna be turning like a depreciating asset into something that's gonna make you money. Yeah, man. Like, okay, if you own multiple cars, you know about okay, today I'm gonna use the BMW.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I want to drive the Polo. Well, instead of literally letting it sit in your garage, put it on the platform. Someone wants to drive it for a couple of hours. As far as I know, there are safety precautions in it because we are in South Africa, our land. But yeah, if you go on the website, literally all the questions you have, you'll get it there. Yeah.
Just hope you have to be a South African citizen too.
There's a lot of rules. There's a vetting
Yeah.
process that you have to go through.
Yeah.
It's really dope.
So that is all create opportunities needs for abantu bakuthi. That's dope.
Yeah, dude, I'm late, eh?
Lela xhego nawo. Yeah, man. Hey, sad news. Condolences to the Adams family. We have lost a superstar.
Can I have my drink?
A very young star, Jaden Adams. He represented South Africa at the World Cup. He plays for Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, they just came back.
Do you know what happened to him?
People are speculating. It's obvious shooter early, so indaba zizawuvela as the week progresses.
Yeah.
But abantu abaninzi basuspect suicide. He was found in his apartment up at Kapa. So we still don't know uba ngubani umuntu oqala ofikileyo wambona into ezinjalo yabo. So condolences to Caden, umamakhe, no Mr. Juanito Adams.
Yeah.
They had an interview. I remember watching an interview yabo Express, before Adams ahamba World Cup.
Yeah.
Bebuzwa ngaye uba ngumuntu onjani, and they described him like a proper gentleman, very quiet guy. So yeah, man, it was sad to lose a player like that, especially that young.
Yeah.
Jaden.
Another one, since we're talking about people who passed. Hey man, it's a sad week for sport, hey. There's this young gentleman, you guys probably know him from TikTok. He does war cries for like Weinberg Boys School. Ubibo Makwedini. His name is Lukobo. He passed away as well in France. Apparently he was in practice, he just fainted, they rushed him to the hospital. But unfortunately, he didn't make it. So condolences to his family. And yeah, man, it's so sad because he was so young. He literally graduated from high school like a year ago, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
But
I was surprised by Uyadlala because I thought he's just a fan of the sport and more famous in Orlando about
the war cry.
The war cry. Yeah.
Amen. Sad one. It's a sad one.
Let's look at Adams. We are obviously not sure the cause of death at the moment, but people are speculating in the Zabaya it could be, he suicide and he was suffering from mental health issues.
Yeah.
What does, if ever, let's say you and I are dating, and then to tell, but hey, bro, I think no suicidal thoughts, and it's been happening for the longest time. Disorders. It's been okay. It's been something in Tilanayo, secretly to tell, like seeking professional help. What does that look like? Now, not advice, but like do professional help. Like what help do you actually expect? But like man.
Wait, so excuse me. You and I are together.
You are my partner, yes.
Yeah. And then you telling me that you're battling with like suicidal thoughts and your mental health. You asking me, what are you asking me? Sorry?
Like let's say advise uba ndikhangele professional help.
Yeah.
And engqondweni yakho, what's your idea of like professional help?
Yo, dude. I would say probably like therapists. Like, okay, for him now, it would be a lot because I'm also a Christian.
Mm-hmm.
So I'd obviously take it to like people in my church and like seek counsel from them. And this is so deep and loaded. And also like professional help as well. And I think I would try my best to be patient with you in it, because you know when somebody is going through that, you also don't want to bombard them with like too much. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because you don't know what it took for them to actually open up to you about that. And now just imagine you just telling me this thing that you're battling with, and I'm just saying like, nope, Asambe, mental health institution.
Yeah,
I need to make you feel like as safe as possible. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I wouldn't necessarily like quickly push you into it, but I would talk you through it. Like, hey man, I don't have the capacity to help you deal with this thing.
Yeah.
I think you should speak to someone who can lead you and like counsel you correctly and professionally, someone who's trained to. Yeah. How would you, if someone in your family or anyone, even me as your friend, if I would be like, yo bro, I'm really battling like internally with my mental health, like what would you advise me, or how would you?
Even though we've moved past into ongafuna uthetha ngayo, I think people are vocal about it ngoku. You understand? So yes, I would suggest into yokubana uthethe.
Yeah.
Like to more people.
Yeah.
Right? And anyway, I don't know, man. I have a trust in mighty, bro. I don't know.
Yeah.
He has taken me out of situations as dark.
Absolutely.
You know, situations that I thought I would never come out of.
Okay.
You understand? So it's one of the tools in Kamelela ngazo. Obviously, if you step on my toes in a different way, I have to handle you accordingly, whatever the case is. You understand?
Yeah.
But kwizinto i-battles ezifana ne-mental health, depression, and izinjalo, you know, I leave it all to him, man. I take it all.
Bro,
like andifuna ukuthi poison ne, if you should go to church.
Yeah.
Because you may not find your answers there.
Absolutely.
Ungafuni.
This is
ifana nento ye-therapy ubana ukutisa iya ku-therapy. You understand? You might not understand la muntu uzabe uthetha naye phana uba like uzama uthini lo muntu ngobomi bam. Akandazi man lo muntu.
You
understand? So they are just ungixelela ungikhilela nje incwadi pages.
I want to ask you something.
Unrelated
I want to ask you something.
Yeah.
We're both believers, right?
But
like, what about the person who's not a believer?
You see, that's where it gets tricky, you know.
Just because you're a Christian,
like
you get what I'm saying?
You
like,
understand?
what do you say to that person? This person doesn't believe in God. They don't believe in a higher power, bro. How do they deal with this? What could you say to them? There's no higher power. They atheist or they agnostic. They don't believe in ancestors. They don't believe in Buddha, Allah, or whatever you want to call it. It's just literally just them. What do you say to those people?
Hey man,
it's tough, and I think you guys can help us in the comment section as well.
But we definitely need more like mental health institutions, and zibe ninzi njenge-men's clinic, zibe ninzi njenge liquor store.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because if ever sine access kuzo on a daily and lapha kufitshane, we don't have to pay for them. Zingaphela izinto esiyazi uba okay ziyasebenzela zipha siyazidinga, we don't have awucinga nala mali uzayikhupha awuzukhupha mali. You're just going to sit in front of a person umxelele unqenqe ngomqolo situation odlula kuyo, and then akuncede according. Sure.
On this topic of suicide, right? So, what's your take on abantu who would blame umuntu who took his own life? Be like, I know smadin sakhe. Like, what's your take on that? Would you say about family? Niggas about understanding about where they come from, or
look, we mourn differently, bro. You understand? Obviously, they blame my family so ikhona. Benimstress uma men ngoba bephila, that's why kunje. You understand? Lo muntu benimbona uba uyachaya but ningamse rehab, that's why kunje. Yabo into ezinjalo. There will always be, you know, that finger pointed at someone. Akusenzeka into ezinje. As for I'm not saying it's right though, you understand, but ndiyakule nto yokubana like we mourn different. Yabo. Kule yoba abantu abathi anzungcwaba nokungcwaba tonton nayo leyana is their way of saying how could you do this after sikwenzele so much. You understand? We've been a support system. We've been telling you into yokubana siyakuthanda, you can come to us anytime, our doors are open, you can talk to us, and yet when you chose a different route and le route ke iyascosta somehow ewe mhlawumbe buseplanning kamasingcwabane but izascosta emotionally.
Yo, bro.
You understand? Now I have to live the rest of my life ndiyazi uba like andina brother, andina sister, andinantoni.
Yo, bro, but
You
like
understand?
to the person who committed the suicide, I think, ish, man, there's so much like noise that person is fighting. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, how, especially like, I can just imagine someone who's committed suicide or someone who does struggle from suicidal thoughts. Like you're alone, right? That's when your mind is the loudest. Like no one can say anything. Like you can't talk yourself out of it. We've gone back. You know what? I'm tired. You get what I'm saying? Like I can't continue living like this. Might as well just silence it permanently. That's the only way I can free myself from this. Going like this is why I feel like people who don't believe in a higher power or they don't have a place where bangapodla corner. This is what happens to them.
And
they kill themselves.
And amajita amaninzi emhlabeni.
Yeah.
Bazibulala issues zoba okay, financial andikho grand.
Yeah.
Or a relationship yam. Ayikho grand. But when you look at someone like Jaden Adams, it really shows you into yokubana ibhettle lesentloko nyhani. Like it's an individual battle. Ayinanto kwenza noba because umjita ebekupeak career yakhe. I mean, he went to the World Cup, esandowina iCAF ne-Sundowns. You understand? iCAF is 6 million.
Yeah.
USD nxa uwinile. 100 million nxa soyiconvert South Africa. And kwa-Sundowns we know into yokubana uPatrice Motsepe une-tradition yokubana i-team nxa iwinile la mali goes to the players and technical staff. You understand? So if la mali is split amongst 50 people, 100, 2 meter.
Yeah.
Understand? So I think wapinda waya na World Cup uyayifumana imali for just qualifying to be there, 10M, and then 2.5 for preparations, the tournament. And then if you advance, which Bafana did, better pagoma 11 something to go to the round of 32. So you know he did have money, so it shows in Dogmana like I don't know whether normal or if you are suffering from this thing.
Would you say it's a selfish act?
Yo, bro.
Yes and no.
Yes
bro.
and no.
Because
dude.
if your way out of this is you think we're going to kill yourself, then you have clearly convinced yourself in Dogmana. Like this is my only way out.
Yeah.
You understand? No one can, like the way we take, but like no one can choke you out of it. When this is your.
Yeah.
You understand?
Anyways, I wanted to ask. A couple of weeks ago, there was a bit of a ruffle on social media, with Bonko Koza and Nirvana. Those of you who follow the story know what. The reason why I bring it up is because I feel like, do you think cancel culture is selective?
Yeah, bakhona abantu like uBhongo. uBhongo, I think the situation yakhe, I wouldn't say it's because I don't know the details kahle, but he's still getting booked. He's still working after zonke izinto. You understand? And we remember Usjava when Lady Zama came out and said, this guy did this to me. Usjava couldn't get gigs. Yeah, he couldn't perform. He didn't release music. You understand? So I do believe it's selective. Bakhona abantu bakwaziyo udribblisha baphume kanje. Yabo. and even companies corporate
Yeah.
emculweni is something that we can talk about because it's there. I think companies ezininzi bakhona abantu abahlukumezekayo on a daily.
Yeah.
But izinto azihandlishwa kahle i-HR. You understand? So I feel like
I hear you.
abanye abantu bayakwazi uyiphepha.
I
Noba
hear-
ngubani njani andiyazi.
I think it all has to do with like you having to take accountability. You get what I'm saying? Like, if you've caused someone any sort of pain and they call you out of it, and then people don't cancel that person because we are tanned or it's their favorite and all of that. That's when I think we need to have a level of discernment. Do you get what I'm saying? As people, like, because just because I like you, bro, and you've killed someone, and I'm be like, no, we can't let him go to jail. He's my friend. I feel like that's what we do sometimes. Like, with like the people we look up to, or the people we idolize, or people we see as celebrities that like we don't cancel them because we love them. They make us happy. They make good music, or we love seeing them on our screens. Do you get what I'm saying? So I feel like in that, as Tina Gengogo, as the fans, we do have favoritism to some point.
Yeah.
Because in the Baga Bonko, bro, it didn't even, that guy,
bruise him.
Nothing. Like, I don't know his side of the story. I don't know the truth.
Kona, why is he quiet though?
He's not quiet.
Is he talking? Because I only saw okay, like visiting podcast.
He released a statement and all of that, and basically said his side of the story, and then the people of the show basically they released a statement, but no, this is something that they handled, whatever. And then Tina Go as the fans, swag. You get, well, his fans, what? No one said anything but no, the case, let's push, this nigga needs to be arrested, serve time. He shouldn't be getting any acting gigs. Nothing like that, bro. So this is what I'm saying, like, it all has to do about like who people like and men favoritism. That's what I feel.
So there's a poster, right? In Java. I think it's a women's celebration kind of event.
Yeah.
Rabo. So what was interesting was the comments. I'm interested to hear your point of view.
I didn't see it.
Yeah, there's a poster. Apparently, there's a poster about Ushaba, who's a performer in the Women's Day, I think. Yeah.
Ooh.
So now, except if feminists like even like Yolanda Pan, he was like, so like, hi guys, how can like say we believe ladies are ma whatever. So what?
Who's we? She can't speak for people. Who's we?
So yeah,
she must say, I stand with Lady Zama. She doesn't know what Uyonga is thinking. I'm not saying that I do support this job or whatever, I'm taking sides. But this is another thing that I wanted to talk about. People using like platforms to be a therapist or like impose and project their opinions on other people. You can't do that. You can't think for people. Yes, I get it, because it's kind of what like influencers do. Their job is to influence. Do you get what I'm saying? But like, where it will get you in trouble is if I say, no, all women are standing with Lady Zama. But again, fans is like, but no, we're gonna stand behind this driver. Females as well, not just males. Do you get what I mean? So I feel like in that, Yolanda, she can't project her thoughts to other people, but as we are supposed to.
What should be the correct punishment for someone who accuses someone who's big like Java of such, and then athule after? Because I feel like anyone can come and accuse Prince of rape, and then kuchi statement, you know,
and we find out that
you're not
guilty.
I'm not guilty. At the end of the day, what would, because let's use a different example. Tolesmo went through the same thing.
Yeah.
You understand? And nomazanithi kwasuka iora yayo ora ka Tolesmo yayo umdlwengula court thethe into ezinjalo. Anisazi that story? Yeah.
I've heard it.
Understand? And that person is still living Bombag nowadays. I mean, till today.
So what happened? aba bantu like umzekelo with ladies amazi case some bazothi abantu you don't have an evidence, you don't have your don't some let's say yenzeke nyani but abantu abambelieve.
And it's the truth at the end of the day.
So what about her? What about her career? Like where do we go from there?
I think
Because it seems-
it's so deep, bro, because
It seems like affected yena ladies amayo yonke le wini.
valid and ke ngoku ne, it's also got me thinking that like we are encouraging women to come out about these things, but then go siphinde singaba support okanye sithi bayaxoka. Yeah. So like we don't know.
And again, enye into esenza us confused is that there's been a trend of there's been people who are coming out who are falsely accusing abanye abantu and then zidicwaka ezo zinto. Ngabanye ke aba bamoshela aba benzeke abenza aba abarechwe nyani okanye bangamameleki. Understand? Because
Yeah.
social media when we see into eyi-1 kokoko and we tend to believe it.
Fair.
Singabanye abantu. Singenazo facts. Just because ithethwe ngubani sizabona lento kubana oh nobani bekwayithetha lento meaning is true. Singakhange and then si-attack uSjava. Si-boycott ii-events zikaSjava.
I think
Should Java be included on anything that celebrates women
no, dude.
or not?
I don't think so. It's a very sensitive topic. Like it's very
But umthetho uthini? You are
but
proven
Kaloku,
you are guilty. Uthini? You are innocent until
proven guilty.
And
Fair. I don't. Yo,
Was he
it's quite-
proven
Was
guilty?
it wrong for taking a gig?
No, he wasn't because
He wasn't wrong
he
for
does
taking it.
music for women. uSjava.
Fair,
The
but-
Valentine's Day uSjava no ring obaya gig.
Oh, inzima man.
You understand?
Inzima.
Nanga Women's Day. Women love uSjava. He makes
And-
music for women. So alana nebrand yakhe. So he had to and uyazazi uSjava ba I didn't do this thing and I come to improve le ba like ndiyenzile le way. So
Bro, I think
until then I'll
Nah.
be innocent.
I think there's your side of the story, there's my side of the story, and there's the truth, bro.
Mm.
Now,
Literally.
is Java wrong for taking a gig?
I said
I don't
yes.
think you are.
I said yes because like it's a sensitive issue to be around, especially for people who go through like GBV, bro, and who go through these experience of like actually being raped and stuff like that. We're not standing behind them because this person is accused of these things. Let me finish. This person is accused of these things, but then she lived that and it's her truth. We can't take away the fact that it's her truth.
Yes, it's a truth. I'm not disputing that.
Mm.
But Java not taking gigs that celebrate women would also make him look like he really did rape who ladies are now.
Nesazela.
Fair. Fair.
Mm.
So shouldn't he now not celebrate women because he was accused of rape?
Yeah.
Are we talking about the 5th of August gig? Okay.
That's a valid point.
Yeah.
It's very valid, but ish.
And if feminists, I know they attack a lot of people on social media. Sometimes now, but they are not 100% accurate in Kwindo.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Kwinantsikaza,
Like,
kwindaba zithethayo.
it's
I
a
mean, we are
very-
human. You understand? I mean, last week up, I'm
Yeah.
not Tyler signed to Rock Nation only to find out it's false. You understand? What if benithathela nto ndayisa kwi-social media yam? Uyabo?
yeah.
Benzawubhanqa abantu abangaphi? You understand?
Mm.
I think I will indulge on this one.
Yeah, ndiyadika kule show.
Yabo? But are we too sensitive, bro? Singabantu? Do you think we are
We
too sensitive?
are.
Mm.
We are, bro. We are very sensitive.
Are we shying away from the truth? Because now I value the truth, bro.
I don't think we're shying away from the truth. I think we're shying away from accountability.
Ne?
Yeah.
Nalawe yoba, you are my friend, so I would rather protect our friendship than to honestly tell you what I think about Mendungu
Yep.
or
I don't think we're shying away from the truth. I think accountability and holding each other accountable. That's the crux of the problem here. Mm. That's what I feel.
Hey, I'm a strong believer. Because here's what lying does, bro. Ne?
Okay.
Lying gets in between you and doing the work of God, because God is the truth.
Mm.
Uthi ndimi indlela, ndimi ubomi, ndimi inyaniso.
Yeah.
But people seem to forget the nyaniso part. You understand? That's why you get a huge, even Christians, that's why you get a huge sense of relief after telling the truth versus lying. You understand? Let me land, boys.
Land.
Right? And by me telling you, Lord, boys, le way yakho betimete yakho iza kufaka engxakini. Understand? Lord might see, because Lord is surrounded by people who are gassing him up, he might see me as someone who's jealous or any, you understand? So that's because we are used to being around people who are abangazi ukuthi hayi, you understand? Like mhlawumbe team kashebi shit.
Okay.
Banjiwe ngoku because bebetha abantu eclubini. No one said no because be big dog. You understand? So
okay.
Inyani noba izasichitha, I feel like people should not shy away from telling the truth.
Absolutely.
Even how uncomfortable it is. One of the things that I always tell this nigga right there, I think I told you three days ago, breaks, is that we are honest, bro. You understand? And because that's rare nowadays. We have to celebrate abantu abanje.
Yeah.
You understand? Because we don't know into yokubana uzawuqhela uxoka to an extent yokubana ngoku aphele xoka la ngento ezinkulu.
Bro.
Hayi beleli nobani bani wathi wandenza 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5.
I wanted to say something, but I forgot what I was going to say.
Christians,
Nyani.
Huh?
Christians, Nyani.
Bryson Tiller, let me tell you about this Bryson Tiller while you're still gathering your thought. Bryson Tiller had an on and off relationship with music.
Yeah.
Right?
Love
he would take long breaks in between. So he had a friend, ibimnceda financially nxa kushuba, yabo. Ngenye imini la chomi yakhe yamxelela ba bro ndinayo le mali uyifuna apha nansi ukunika namhlanje because you are inconvenience me ngosolo ukucela imali. Ngoba usenza umculo ububhetere, at least ibikhona into engenayo, noba ingena nge-15 noba ingena nini, but ibikhona into engenayo.
I'd appreciate a friend.
Imali yenza kunika yona yoba ngokukhwele ngokuye studio. The first song he recorded when coming back ezokwenza umculo was Don't. That blew up
everywhere.
He later dropped Trap Soul.
Yeah.
Exchange in between. I mean, in the album. All because one person said, "No, dog. I was buy cash cow."
Yeah.
And I was like, they can take you far. Now, Bryson Tiller, Wenzing Oman Kelly to World Thought will give us the best first.
Bro, to add on to what you're saying.
But thinking of try me, pussiest nigga, do like Bryson, don't. La line akayifaka la line. Don't was a smash hit. All because one guy said, "Deny imali anzukunika. Go back to the studio. I'm hustlish."
I was gonna say in Dogbana, I think we don't appreciate people who tell the truth enough, like we should, because you know when someone tells you the truth, especially or whatnot. You're always going to take someone telling you the truth as an attack. Yeah, well, sometimes it's coming from a place of love. Yeah. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I believe him. I will tell you the truth. Those are the type of people you need to
get rid of.
Anyways, yeah, that's what I got to say on that.
Okay, masiye kwi
Yeah.
Siye hot seat okanye sivele ngayo?
No, let's close with hot seat.
Sivele hot seat.
Yes.
Okay. Do you think who do you think hip hop one president hip hop if ever hip hop was a nation?
Oh my god. You're asking the wrong person. This is like I'm the worst person to ask this. Like
you do listen to okay,
bro,
checked out.
Like hardly. In SA mna unandiqonda uNtsembu uNtswayiza.
Because of the podcast.
Not even like I've always loved him. No? Yes, honestly. Why do you
yeah, he's talented. He's good.
And also he's doing something different with hip hop. Like bringing Like, who else does what he does?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's my answer. Hey. Yeah. It's in
And I think we are sleeping on Amandla ka DJ Sleek, man. That guy is hip hop.
Okay.
Abantu bazothi, he's a hip hop DJ. Obviously, he has to, bring these guys and benza umculo and stuff. But yes, we had DJ Sleek or DJ Milkshake back in the days. We had Dimples.
Yeah.
But zange babanele impact uSleek now. uSleek every year, bro. Une hit song with hip hop. You understand? So I feel like he's one of the people that carries. I'm going to do one. I'll still mention more, but he's one of the people that we need to give flowers to in terms of like holding it down for hip hop at a time where
Yeah.
piano is, dominating.
Yeah.
Omne Nesty C, I love his
Oh
consistency.
yeah, I forgot about him.
I love the fact that he never hides, even if a project.
I love
Ephumileyo, he's always there, he's always in our face.
Mm.
Abanye abantu bebemgxeka ngokuqala streamer. But look at what's happening because as dreams. He's dropping freestyles, he's dropping
Yeah.
AC mixes. It's fun to watch. Yabo. He's still saying, I'm hip hop.
What do you
Nobody
think?
else alone.
Oh.
Unlike uCasper over a game. Spooky me, pull up.
Oh, this is on you. What do you think of?
Can't you include into oyenzayo, Bryce? Songa sakho kuyo yonke into oyenzayo.
Oh, come on, Casper. What do you think of?
Xa ndiyamkhumbula man, yeah, I'm saying this out of love, honestly, bro. Yo, sometimes I'm like, la mchito wabulala aka ingani ngavele ndimbambe ngokwami bra ndimsote ngokwami because ingathi ngoku like asise comfortable. And nini nathi ngumufasa kwa eli namthwalisa isidanga. Anyways, yeah.
What was I gonna ask? I was gonna ask.
Hey, usesejuzi
Bro,
Hey,
Bro.
buya wena, hey buya.
bro. I was gonna ask. What do you think of Who'll See My Money?
Yeah, the boys,
Yeah.
the boys. Amthanda amantombazane isimama man.
I think it's because he's Zulu. Women love Zulu men.
Is it?
What?
Mm.
What? Have you ever been shelled by a Zulu man?
Obviously, I've never been shelled by
Have
a
you ever
Zulu
been-
man because I'm a Zulu man. But anyways,
Have you ever been shelled by a Zulu man?
bro, really, whether you do a Zulu guy?
What? I believe my soulmate is either Zulu or Congolese, bro.
Ne?
What? You're a Zulu man, bro. What?
Yeah, but man, I do speed. Bafo ngila
Bro.
kusibuda ngigqoka uGucci no Parker.
Bro, I think the first
Ngoku
time.
nawe ngoku you are forced uba ujonge lo mntu unxiba uGucci no usefonini ke lo mntu. Udirect umuntu ozayo.
Dude.
Phaka la cele ngale Mercedes yam le. Hayi le ibomvu le imhlophe. Now uphela
Bro,
ngokusho.
bro, Zulu men have riz. Yo, you don't understand. Zulu men have riz.
But
Like, what? That's it. A Zulu man would say to me, someone in Doga's and I'm give him my numbers. Go
Hayi.
on. What? It's just how he says it.
Sawubona ntokazi.
Hey, mama. You! Guys, let's move on.
Ufuna ubanjwa ngalama ngena nsiki lebeshela kalo ezantsi maqatheni.
They do that. I don't know. Whatever.
Yeah,
I
do
feel
your
like
research. Yeah.
I don't know, but like I believe that Zulu men have the most charisma or riz in SA. Shout out.
Siyazilwela nathi rayitwanela le rona
We were
Basotho.
talking about Usi my money, bro.
Rayitwanela le rona. We are not very far, eh?
We were talking about Usi my money.
Usi, I love he stands on business, man. He had a beef and he handled it well. He had distract Kutswaiza
Mm.
and he also dissed to Swisha. Mswenko Franco, yeah, sorry, Mswenko Franco. And that thing went viral, bro. And we push on Mandomazan. That's it. That's why in city.
He's a
Because I've
Zulu
never
man.
can't imve can't born out to pusha la nansik.
Nah, I say it.
Where who the hell Mswenko? Business of Mandomazana mostly la way. Jenga dia phikisa lies.
He's a Zulu man, bro.
Ne.
What? Man loves guys. No, but for real. But for real, man, like women love Zuluman, guys. If you agree with me, sit down back comments. I know there's women who agree. There's one woman here in the studio who knows what I'm talking about.
And isizulu
It's so
siyasulela man.
romantic,
Siyasulela
bro.
because mina nganithela nomzulu angikwazi ukuthetha ngesixhosa phela
Ngazi
sengibethe
ukuthetha ngesiZulu.
cha phela and that's the only language endibangala ndlela ngayo. I don't know ine affection
That word.
that word
That word. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on.
too hot.
Hot
Hot
seat.
seat,
Hot
okay.
seat. Hot seat.
Name one celebrity everybody loves but you don't rate.
A celebrity that everybody. Does it have to be South African?
Any celebrity.
Guys, I don't like Beyonce. I'm not a fan of Beyonce, guys.
Yo,
Like, I'm not a fan. Like, she's great, amazing, but like, I don't give a damn about her slaying, bro.
no, but the Beyonce when are you? Okay, I'm not saying wrong or poison,
No,
eh?
no, no.
But yo, la mate, back in the days. Okay, lo ngoku we country.
Yeah, man. Like,
Yeah, akalendi kum, but
after Destiny's Child, she just lost it for me. I don't know. Well, I've never been a fan of her like that, to be fair. Like, if I'm being completely honest.
bro, you know you are the first person in the movie.
Nah, dude. Like,
And I'm 30 something years old.
nah, bro.
Okay. Yeah. Sure,
No, and I'm being honest. Like, guys.
we
be
be all night.
So,
so
it would be 10 episode.
we big at night.
So,
Yeah.
anyways,
Oh, that's crazy.
which industry person? What? Okay, which person in the industry do you feel like people are too scared to criticize?
Too scared to criticize. Yo, access South Africa, but we criticize everyone. But umuntu Thembisiyeda man, Thembisiyeda mdala man.
Criticize and don't.
Fike choka ngakethi kumo. Usezezanto za.
Oh man.
No man, Thembisiyeda must relax. She's beautiful, she's aging well, but yeah, man. I think funeke kweziweza abantwana. Eh? Mine is better than yours. Beyonce.
I don't care, bro. Like,
But honestly now, Thembi must chill now.
what do you think people need to criticize? Her dancing.
Have you seen her perform?
I have.
And?
She's representing Lebo Mathosa.
No. Must chill. Lebu must rest in peace.
Okay. Next question.
What's one opinion you and or you've
What's one opinion you've never shared
shared
because of
Ileo
Beyonce? Ilega Beyonce.
Yintoni ekwenze uwey kwi-share poison? Do you feel like i-beehive siza okanye ulinde uva abanye abantu ba is there someone out there who
You know
feels
what,
the same
no?
way as you?
You know what? This is what I'm gonna say. I was like, guys, I want to say something that's gonna upset all of you, if not most of you. Okay. I feel like she's just running a cult. I've said it. Be mad. I don't care. Like, I'm not saying she makes bad music or like she's not great, but like, I don't see the hype. Honestly.
Wow.
I need more any hype. Like, I don't have to like her just because everybody's liking her, I guess.
She's made great music.
She
man.
makes billions anyways. Like, my opinion doesn't matter
Doesn't
to her,
matter.
but I'm just saying, but like, you like Beyonce, bro. Like,
Yeah. Okay.
most of the time I kept quiet. But, oh, Beyonce, this, that. Went on by, oh, if I were to speak, I'm scared. But I did.
Okay, u-R Kelly uphumile ne?
Huh?
Ne? I think so. I think the one in
Wait, what? Fact check that, please.
Should we still
Wait,
play his music?
wait. One more hot seat before I'd kill. If you had a chance to expose someone without consequence, would you?
To expose someone without consequence?
We just spoke about telling the truth.
Yeah.
Mm.
Even if expose that into ndiyazi by to save lives.
R.
Then-
Kelly is not out.
R. Kelly is not out. No man, I saw him perform. Was it
Huh?
an all performance?
Upavamapi.
No, for he was singing for people, not a performance. He was singing for people.
Kuleloba.
There's this guy, man. Sakhangelela la video. Lies uyidlala ngizayikhangela
Is
uyidlala.
it not AI?
No, it's not AI. He was him. Ehamba ngenyawo khulule ihlangu. Bonke bakhulule ihlangu la room ebekuyo. That's the video I saw, and it looked like it's a recent video because of how he looked.
Upafomela babanjwa.
No, ayengomabanja, man. He was invited. by
Ubani
people.
invite to
R. Kelly is big, bro. There are
Vele.
people. Let's not play. There are people who listen to umculo ka R. Kelly ngoku ejele ngoku eyachoose for izinto achoose ngayo.
Nambo.
You understand? We can't run away from the fact that he gave us great music. So Puma, I don't think it should be something that is shocking to everyone when he gets gigs and stuff.
You see, Diddy, R. Kelly, all these people, the lightest sentences have.
No, but did an impact in terms of the people that he brought in the game. R. Kelly,
Nah,
like,
bro.
how he made us.
Did
feel
you watch
ngomculo
the Diddy documentary? That guy is evil, bro.
Since it's like yena whatever comes, whatever affects him after
Bro,
ephumile jail,
I don't care.
uyayideserve.
Yeah, ukhohlakele la mntu.
Mm.
Diddy?
Mm.
Yo, that man is evil, guys. I remember, ufumana a death sentence. No, honestly, bro. Yo, that guy. Say for man.
Akho mzaphinda ulunge ngoku. No amount of money can take him out of land.
But i-sentence zakhe engathi zishort nje engathi like.
Mabano Diddy is only 4 years.
You see, that's what I'm saying.
He's already, I think, served 3 years.
Yeah.
No, it's coming out next year.
So do you think justice system if you should never reach? Like I think Zanzi game.
Yile nto bendiyithethe.
Unfortunately, ngomthetho, bro. That's why kuthiwa umthetho is blind, ne? Uya nge-evidence. And some things are not documented for me to say, this is what this man did to me. You understand? It's my word against his. Now, how am I going to prove ukuthi uzenzile zazinto azenzileyo kula white party? I can't.
Mm.
You understand? That's why abantu besithi umthetho is blind.
But people are so quick to criticize Diddy. Wouldn't you have gone to a Diddy party?
No. Hey guys, if he was paying, I'm joking.
No, kaloku iway baby.
Wouldn't you have gone to a Diddy party? I know you, my dog.
Don't soon blackmail. Soon blackmail. Yeah,
Would
don't
you
say
have
you
went-
know me. Of
would
course
you
you know
have
me. What do you
You
mean?
wouldn't have gone to the Diddy party.
No, I would. I would have.
Would you have
You
gone?
understand? But I would have. La party.
And buy him that guys.
Those parties, bro, were so great to a point of
Bro.
manner. People use them. People use them as a breaking rights. So, I'm invited, Jonga. You understand?
Bro,
Yeah, bro.
guys,
But I wouldn't
Nah,
partake on
I
the
don't suffer
activities
from
that
it
happen.
guys. And
Those are awesome.
no,
And
guys.
No,
Nah,
no,
guys.
I want the baby oil.
no, not for me.
I still want the baby oil.
Hi guys, I'm not sure nobody's gonna post this isn't post your life in, and I'm okay with that. Like, I wouldn't feel some type of way, bro. Honestly, leave me out.
Yeah, but into ebisenze artists ziye kakhulu. Zeza celebrities bazodibana nazo pha.
Nah.
You met the CEO network.
Yeah.
You met the CEOs pha.
Guys,
Kubentakani baby oil.
You understand? Imadod, le baby oil ibingakanani na?
Because they need to
Benny,
see, they're like
guys,
hundreds of them.
you need to
And
go.
also, you used to make the event hot
Yeah,
so
so
that you be around.
I watched the documentary, you know? But and his thing is like umchiti noba uzibone phi ezwe. Who groomed uDidi?
That's being genius.
Yeah.
No, if there's one thing, Didi was a genius.
He was.
And number two,
Music genius.
no, every level,
Everything,
every
Tommy.
aspect of being people.
A businessman,
Nah,
bro.
How do you think of people we all?
Who thinks of that, bro?
Yeah.
He
How
was-
do you think we're gonna slide and it's
Jonga, Udidi is the type of person that, like, I'm gonna make it to the top by all means possible. By all means possible. He's very
Even
business-minded,
if it means killing or
Doesn't
allegedly
matter.
killing my best friend, doesn't matter.
as long as he's gonna remain top dog, bro. As long as.
And those people get away with murder, literally.
And why are you saying Didi is a bad guy? If he was thinking 10 steps ahead of you, let's say, make a song, and I'm gonna credit myself as a producer of the song. How am I wrong if I'm thinking 10 steps ahead of anyone? How does that make me wrong?
We're not a genius, we're criminal.
No, I'm a
He's
creative criminal.
Fair.
Because
Oh, this is
none
a
of the
criminal.
things I said, I lied.
And also,
I'm at the studio, we
mm,
make a song,
yeah,
I put my name on the song.
you win, I win.
Yeah, but my intention is like to earn money from the song. You thinking small is not my problem.
And also, do you realize how much of a puppet master he was? Think about it, like, Udidi Bra would think way ahead of you, like Lendo Breaks time. When as long as he's gonna remain on top, you can do whatever, watini. As long as Benala influence, but I was part of that and I'm in control. I think he's someone who's very like addicted to control. Because he
Yeah.
controlled a lot. Still
Mm.
is. Still is.
For his case, as much as it was reduced to 4 years,
Sentence.
yeah, he set up a media crew that's gonna run and say Didi is not wrong.
That's a
He hired social media, about TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, America. Those people had an influence on that case, how it was judged out. He's a genius.
Same as
He's a sick bastard. A
Same
sick
as-
genius.
same as the Michael Jackson case. Abantu bebephana bathi jury
jury, yeah.
yeah xa imjonga umjita like bibona i-superstar like ibingaboni umuntu
By fan.
yeah bebezi-fans yabo so you can't really treat umuntu onjalo or umfanise nami.
Mm.
You understand? Because yena unesa status anaso. You probably know 5 of his songs. Kodwa lo muntu uzamsejele wena. Ozithandayo. Yabo. So hey man, I don't think we can it's safe to say no ubani umthetho uba fair kwabantu abanjani. Asibenzi superstar na. Chevy Shit, do you think Chevy Shit will survive yena?
What did you do?
Chevy Shit ubanjwe lo ubethe umuntu eklabhini
Oh
ngo-8.
my gosh. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
The
oh my
Licompo
gosh.
King.
Oh my word.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh. No. Do I think
No,
he will survive?
he's big. He's big with Licompo. They love him, bro. They
But
love
yeah,
him.
The only thing is an unnecessary celebrity.
Huh?
Who say your shit because of image yakhe like
No, dude.
nobody know that
No.
funds abantwana.
No,
You think?
we can't say that, bro, because we speak about originality kakhulu kwi-entertainment industry. You have to be you. Don't mimic niggas from the US. That's old ngoku. Yabo. Come as you are, Nike, tracksuit strachela or whatever. Yabo. Iba ngulo muntu nguye. Yabo. So we can't say he's unnecessary because of image yakhe. He had tattoos because he's been to prison. And he came back and added more tattoos.
And he's gonna
kwiskin
go
sakhe.
back to
Yabo.
prison.
He was good kwinto ayenzayo. One thing for sure. He's big eligomba. But I feel like the loss of umntanakhe kula accident wabe nguye oqhubayo. I think iyamweka umjidala way. So he was mourning like differently from how you and I would mourn. Yeah, obviously mhlambe he had anger issues already, but everything he did after.
This goes back to what I said in the beginning. Just because I love you, I must hold you accountable. Now we must say, oh no, just because it's shabby shit, you mustn't be.
No, I'm not.
like,
I'm
no,
not. I'm
I
not saying
know.
you should not be arrested.
I know,
for that.
but I'm just saying, like, are we gonna overlook it because it's shabby shit? But like, if it was,
we shouldn't.
Man, usimpiwe from the street, makahambe.
Uthi nguzihlangu on a contain.
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like honestly, we do have favoritism sometimes, especially when it comes to celebrities. When they do wrong, we don't treat them like normal human beings. And I feel like
he recently appealed Ushebe and then they denied. I don't think he's gonna stay there for a long time, man.
He is, bro.
Yeah.
Hey,
Matot. Twerk. Anyways, yeah,
You have
thank you
anything
so
else to
much.
say?
Maswetani KK tungoku. Ekayonga yakawulwetsi. Ene esibonile ke bubuxoki into yokubana into zakawulwetsi zikwenza ukhumsha because khange siphume isilungu kum. Yes. Should I bullet otherwise? But yeah, man, lovely episode. Welcome back, my friend. It's nice to
be back, man.
It's nice to.
But yeah, man, if you made it this far in the show, shout out to you. You're a real one. We love you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend about us, because then again, I'm pretty sure you want to be cool. So, and the only way you can be cool is by joining and being part of this really, really, really cool and loving family. Any parting words?
Be a citizen. Stay a citizen. It's the planet of the cool. You are not cool if you are not tapped into this podcast. We love you so much. Love and peace. Thank you so much. Udedi wezaza culture. We are out of here. Tango. Yeah, man.
Tango.
Lloyd, you need to talk about the way you I love it.
If it was summer, you would have.
At this time, no?
You would have.
Yeah, but since then, acid, so it's fine. I'll jog tomorrow. Yeah, Haslisha, bro, I have to. Understand? I don't have a rich dad. In fact, I don't have a dad at all.
I'm not dada.
Ekuseni.
I'm not dada.
Vuka ekuseni, homes.